Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be getting some work done on our N-scale layout. It's been a little while. We're going to be building two kits from Mud Creek Models, and we're going to be combining them to go on a pier. I'm really excited about having Mud Creek model kits all along the edge of the layout. So I'm going to have to pick up a couple more kits. I just really like the way they look on the outer edge of the layout. All right, let me show you quick some other Mud Creek models that I already have on the layout, and then we'll head over to the workbench and get started. It's exciting to get back over here working on the N-scale layout for sure. Okay, so here are the two kits that we're going to be using, and again, they're from Mud Creek Models. Now, this is a great N-scale company. The owners, Frank and Natalie, are an incredible couple, and they offer an amazing customer service. So feel very confident in ordering from this company. All right, it's not going to be anything too difficult. We're going to build this one how it is, and then we're going to build, this comes with two kits, and we're just going to simply put the yellow one in the middle. So the tall one's going to go on the left, and this one's going to go on the right, with the yellow one in the center connecting the two structures. So pretty simple kit bash. And it's Criswick clam chowder and Matt's plumbing supply. So I just sprayed all the parts from both kits with this. I just sprayed all the doors and windows with this. Now I'm going to go over it with light avocado. It's really close to the same color. Okay, let's start to get all of our windows cut out. This is definitely going to take a while. So the first thing we have to do is take all the window frames and glue those on. Then after that dries, we have to take that green light avocado and paint the inside of those windows. Okay, there's the window frames. I'll get those glued on, and then like I said, we'll take a small paintbrush and paint the inside of all those openings. Well, I might as well do this one too while I'm at it. I'll have to look at the instructions. It looks like I have an extra, oh no, It's right there. It's right there. Thought I had an extra door. That smaller one goes there. This one has a little window above it. Right now, I'll go ahead and glue all these on and paint the inside of the openings. I'm painting the inside of the window frames. It takes a while, but it's worth it. You don't want that bare wood showing. And you don't have to be neat and clean about it. Now I'm taking all the windows and gluing them onto the pre-cut acetate. And what I like to do is glue them on here. Then, when they're all glued on, then cut it out of the sheet. I sprayed a bunch of the strip wood with the khaki color. So it's the corner trim and the in the instructions I think they call it the fascia trim. Okay, I'm putting bracing on the back of the walls, and it'll show you in the instructions where to put those. And now we're going to start to assemble the walls. Okay, I've got these two glued together, and now I'm actually going to glue them like that. But I want to make sure that it's 2 inches. So I'm going to line this one up here, and then this one gets pushed back to this line, which then makes it 2 inches wide. Okay, this one is glued together. The kit does provide a cardboard floor. And again, this is 2 inches deep. And it measures, just in case you're wondering, 3.5 inches long. Okay, now let's work on the second structure. Okay, so here's where we're at so far. Now, originally, I was going to cut the peak off of that right there, and then have this slide in all the way. Yeah, it kind of looked like, if that makes sense, that was going to go up against that. But I think I'm going to leave it as 2 separate buildings and have them pretty close on the pier with a little bit of space in between there. Yeah, that's too close. So maybe like that. I guess maybe line those up like that. And it's about probably 3/4 of an inch in between. Yeah. All right, well, that's all the time we have for today. Join me tomorrow, and we'll try to wrap this project up. This is exciting. I am thrilled with how this is turning out, and I think it's going to look really nice on the pier. And these 2 kits, they came with so many detail parts. a lot of detailed parts. So that's going to be fun. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.